barbecue of lot of meats and of course some vegetarian barbecuing also. Oh my god, look at this. We're going to make this awesome fish curry. Paste what we made of the onion and tomato and add to this. Look at the pieces, very beautifully intact. How perfect, silky and the gravy is come out. Look at my hand also, the little bit of turmeric and other things, it will stick to the hand for a day. After eating the fish curry, you can enjoy that flavor on your fingers for almost few hours. Usually I get really excited when I am cooking outdoor. I know a lot of you people are asking about barbecue Indian style. So we're going to go some outdoors and we're going to do barbecue of lot of meats and of course some vegetarian barbecuing also. Today we're going to make this awesome fish curry which is again very prominent in the coastal regions of Andhra Pradesh. For this I'm going to add some turmeric, some chili powder, some lime juice and also add a little bit of salt. Mix this along with the fish and let this fish marinate for a minute. Take oil in a pot. For this fish curry, this is going to be nice tamarind juice and a excellent fish curry. So for this I marinated the fish already with little turmeric chili powder. When the oil is hot enough, just put the fish pieces carefully in this till it is slightly crispy. You don't have to fry too much, this will help the pieces cook well. Fry all the pieces whatever you're using and keep it on a separately. After frying the fish in the same oil, add onion, little bit of salt and see now what onion does is whatever the fish flavor that is there in the pot and little bit of tidbits of small broken pieces of fish, it is going to extract all the aroma back into these onions. And when the onions are slightly fried, in this add tomatoes and just saute it for a minute. Put it in a blender and make this into a fine paste. Now we're going to do the tempering. First add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. By adding the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds, once they start crackling, add red chilli and now you're going to add some chopped ginger. Chopped ginger will give a very nice taste to this. Add some of this chopped ginger and now along with it I'm going to crush some garlic and add crushed garlic in this and add some curry leaves. And after adding the curry leaves, now the paste what we made of the onion and tomato and add to this. Cook this tomato and onion paste a little bit and in this we're going to add chili powder. We love, the Andhra fish curry, they love lot of chili powder. Nice, make it hot and red. In this add coriander powder and in this add the tamarind juice. Add water and bring this to a nice boil. After adding the tamarind juice, add enough water and let this simmer for a long time. Sometimes we keep it simmering for half an hour on a slow flame. That's when the raw flavor of the tamarind will go away and give that nice sweetish and the wonderful taste what we all love in fish curries. And the gravy is getting slowly cooked. In this we can use lot of kinds of fish. We use bekti, you can even use pomfret, but pomfret I prefer for frying. And you use the rohu and other kind of carp fishes also we love. And catfish is also excellent. When I was in US, we used to use a catfish for making this curry and it comes out excellent. Look at this gravy. This is cooked for like 30 minutes and the gravy is nice silky and you can also see the traces of oil. And now add these pieces of fish which we have already fried. And once you add to this, you don't have to cook much further because fish is already fried. So what we do is, we don't want the pieces to cook any further. Just add some chopped coriander in this, put the lid on. Not more than 2 minutes, let it simmer and switch off the flame. The fish has to sit in these juices for at least 1-2 hours. But usually what they do is, they make it in the night, they leave this, in the morning they eat it and they thoroughly enjoy it. This is a very typical Andhra, we call it Nellore fish curry and so on. And also they use a lot of green chillies which I did not. So make this curry and I'm telling you, you will thoroughly enjoy it. The beauty is the color of the gravy also. In fact, little more cooking can make this curry gravy into nice red color. And look at the pieces, very beautifully intact. Look at this gravy. This is got that silky texture. That is why this Nellore fish curry is so famous. This is pretty much available all over in Hyderabad. In lot of restaurants they serve this, but if you want the best of the best curry, you have to make it at home because how perfect, silky and the gravy is come out. and how delicately we need to handle this fish. All perfect. So let's try it. Oh my God, look at this. Never with a fork or a spoon, just mix it with rice. And look at my hand also, the little bit of turmeric and other things, it will stick to the hand for a day. After eating the fish curry, you can enjoy that flavor on your fingers for almost few hours. This fish curry is nice, silky, coats the rice, it hugs the rice, it kisses the rice, and that's what will make this gravy super tasty. And with every bite, and even the fish, because it's fried, I'm just having it after 1 hour in the fish gravy. But if you can put it overnight and eat, the fish tastes really great. Make this awesome fish curry anytime at home, and especially if you make it in the pot, it's even more tasty. Make it, eat it, and keep saying whatever, and the delicate fish in every bite.